farm in Hillsdale County. And what we have done today is take out a very large number of very large trees that have been producing an awful lot of canopy for an awfully long time. Mostly on a slope, probably about a 20-degree grade in most places that separates an area I call the flats from a high plain. And there's timber in both, they're both timbered. There goes a red-tailed hawk. But we probably put, I don't know, 40 trees on the ground with a diameter, breast height of anywhere between 20 and 30 inches. And we opened up a tremendous amount of canopy. There's an awful lot of winter browse that's now easily accessible for the deer, and I'm going to put a camera out and see if I can get some pictures of some of that. I'll leave the camera out for a while. Should be able to get some deer pictures, because there's a great abundance of browse out here right now, which will provide a lot of food, probably food until spring greenup, which is still several weeks away.